Well, welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. I'm so glad you could attend. Come inside, come inside. So, with that, a couple things we're going to do today. I'm going to put that oil in sending unit down there on the block. On the seat here, I'm going to take the frame, or the bottom part, the rack off the frame, so I can get that home and start cleaning it up, make sure it works right, so I can get it when the floor mat and stuff comes. We can put that in. Couple other little things we might do. Not really much. I think the brake parts are supposed to show up tomorrow, so I'm going to be going into town for a parts run tomorrow. Get the brake parts, and we'll be back out here. And we'll get the brakes. We should be able to get the whole front end up here done. Brakes on, shocks, all that stuff's coming. So that'll be done. I'm going to get the seat out of here. I got to take it to the upholsterer. He won't be able to do it, he said, for like mid-March, but that's okay because I don't want it anywhere near here when it's upholstered until this thing is like 110% finished and, double checked and triple checked. And then I'll put the new seat in, so he can have it as long as he wants. I guess that's about it for that. So we're gonna do a few little things, and then when we get the brake stuff, we'll continue on. So let's get started. Okay, hey guys, it's been a couple days. We had to go in and pick up the parts run yesterday, so I got all the brake parts, shocks, gasket set for the rest of the engine. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go ahead and first thing is install the front brakes, both sides, get that done, and then if that goes all smooth, we're going to move up and put all the parts back up on the front of the engine, get that tidied up some more, and then I guess we'll see what how much longer we have in the day, and then we'll just see what we got to do next. I got to get some more stuff cleaned up inside to mount the gas tank, but we'll see how it goes. So that's what we're going to do today, and when I get that stuff done, I'll get you back in here and give you a little quick walkthrough and show you what we accomplished. Hey, okay guys, we got the brakes on and the shocks on, so I'm going to get you down in here and get a look at that. So those went on pretty easy. Shocks, stuff, so I can't put the drum on for a while. I forgot to bring my tub of wheel bearing grease out, so I got to wait. I'll call my wife and have her bring it out for me so I can finish that up. And here's the other side. All nice new stuff, new shocks. So that's good. So we're going to go ahead and start up here. We're going to go ahead and put all this stuff back on. Get everything buttoned up here in the front. So I'll get your lookers back in here in a little bit when we get that done. Okay guys, hey, we got the, my wife showed up with the tub of grease, so we got the bearings and spindles all greased and everything, so we got those babies on. I don't have these little dust caps. It only had one, and I forgot to order some new ones, so I had to get some little dust caps for it. But these are good, nice and smooth. I have to get my grease gun out. We'll grease gun under here. Nice new shocks. The other side's all done. Problem is, of course, I finally decided that getting parts from these, online suppliers, it's kind of like getting a box of chocolates. You're never going to know what you're going to get. The Rock Auto, again, came through with everything except the brake lines didn't fit, so they don't work. I ordered a gasket set from some other company, I don't know, Action Auto Parts or something like that. They had supposedly had the right gasket. So I went and opened it and went to get started on putting the front of the engine. They're not right. The first gasket I took out was wrong. So those got to go back. Brake line's got to go back. Rock Auto charges you more to ship the stuff back. You have to pay for it yourself. Then the stuff's worth. So I'll probably just throw it on the shelf. Won't even bother. I'll just order them from somebody else. At least the other company says that they'll, pay for the return and all that kind of stuff. So, anyways, we got to do that. So we're basically done with this for today. There's not much else I can do. I have the door at home. I'm going to go home and work on. So, anyways, let's just go ahead and end this video here. We'll get back out on another one as soon as we get some more stuff sorted out and some more parts coming in. And, yeah, let's just do that. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. So, thanks for watching.